In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quip templates. Templates are a simple way to jumpstart your documents with a clean structure, consistent formatting, and built-in prompts so you can focus on content instead of layout. First, open Quip in your browser or desktop app, whichever you prefer. The experience is very similar, so use what's most convenient. Once you're in, look for the Compose button. It's typically a plus sign or a new button, usually near the top of the interface. Click that to begin creating something new. From the options that appear, choose Template Library. This opens the full collection of templates available to you. You'll see them grouped into helpful categories. Created by Me contains templates you've personally built or saved. Shared with Me includes templates teammates have made available to you. And example templates are ready-made starting points provided to help with common workflows. Take a moment to browse or use the search bar to quickly find what you need. Typing a keyword like meeting notes or account plan will narrow the list instantly. If you're not sure what to choose, the example set is a great way to explore best practice layouts that many teams rely on. When you've found the right fit, click Use Template. Quip immediately creates a new document based on that selection, complete with headings, sections, and any helpful placeholder text. At this point, you'll usually be prompted to name the new document and choose where to save it. Pick a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to find later, and select a location that matches your workflow, perhaps a personal folder if it's just for you, or a shared space if your team will collaborate. Now, you're ready to edit. The document is your own copy, so any changes you make here won't affect the original template. Replace placeholder text with your actual content, adjust headings, or remove sections you don't need. Feel free to tailor the structure to suit your project while keeping the parts that help you stay organized. If you like the format, consider reusing it in the future by coming back to the template library and repeating this process. That's all there is to it. Open Quip, click Compose. Choose the template library. Pick a template, use it, name, and save your new document, and start editing. With this workflow, you'll produce consistent, professional documents faster and with less effort. Try a few different templates to see which ones match your needs, and enjoy the time you'll save on every project.